We're gonna shave it up. Very satisfying to do.
Yeah.
It comes in jars. You have to keep it quiet over there, right?
I don't know if I'm supposed to be talking now.
Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to Making It. We're in the lovely Los Angeles, California with Salt Hank, the sandwich man himself, all right? And we're gonna be making a sandwich of our own, a riff on an Italian sub or a combo, whatever you call it. I got big opinions on it. So does this guy. We'll see how many of them we take, but we're gonna make a beautiful sandwich regardless. I love it. It's one of my favorite sandwiches.
I'm very fired up.
Oh, I wasn't here. That was weak. Come on. Ooh, yeah,
Bring it the f in. There it is.
All right, so on this show, bud, I got a little bit of a tradition. Every time back at the studio, you might have seen it. I don't know, you probably don't watch the show. It's fine. I don't know.
I actually do.
Ah, thanks, man. You know,
Kidding me?
I love that. But we have this tradition of the ingredient shrine where we just talk about things. We pay a little respect. Usually I blow out a candle. This is a candle-free house. It's fine. And let's just get going. First up, all right? Mortadella. We're going to slice that up. Love it, right?
Oh, my God. I'm
Traditionally not on an Italian sub, as we call them back home.
Stay true to your roots. I respect that.
All right, man, it is what it is.
Yeah.
I guess it's just beaten into me. We got some Genoa salami, classic. That is a staple I find in an Italian sub.
Yeah, definitely.
Would you call it a sub or a combo or a grinder? What are we doing out here?
I think it depends on the restaurant I'm ordering from. I just say what they have on the menu.
And this is a smoked pork loin.
Yeah.
All right, it's from Olympia Provisions. I forget how to say it. It's like Lancashire. But I'm gonna, again, very not traditional on Italian
the
sub.
bark on the outside, though.
It's gonna give it a little bit of pepper. It's gonna be like our capicola in a sense.
Lovely.
A little bit more meaty, less fat. Not like a dry cured product. Yeah, I think it's gonna be really good. And then we also, the last one is just a ham, like a little petite kind of sweetheart ham, also from Olympia Provisions. Thanks, Eli and Mal. Love you guys. And we're gonna slice that up, and that's gonna be like our base, just like our traditional like steamed or usually like a prosciutto cotto.
Right.
Or just like a boiled ham. We're just gonna riff on this a little bit with this.
Oh my God, I can't wait.
This will be more of like our fluffy, light, emulsified
Kind of twist it when you put it
yeah,
on there.
little
Yeah,
pillows
like a
of
twirl.
fun.
Yeah.
Little, exactly.
Whipped cream, just
Yeah, none of that. I
slide it all
don't
over there.
fold like
No.
me. No, we build. Nice.
No, you don't slap it. You fold it ever so delicately.
Knew I liked you. We'll slice those up. Always, I don't care what you say, we're putting some dried oregano on it.
Big time.
We're maybe gonna work in some Calabrian chilies. I'm thinking controversial back east, but becoming more and more popular. It was unheard of when I was a child. But a smear of mayonnaise with a little bit of Calabrian chili, not bad. Just a little, but to each their own. People love this shit. Right, then we're gonna do sliced lettuce. And I see you got a little romaine over there.
Yeah, my
I'm
plan
a big
was to go
iceberg guy.
romaine. This
Maybe we can go hybrid. We'll talk about that later.
I know there's gonna be a lot of compromise.
You're gonna make
here,
some
I think.
pickled peppers. We got some jalapenos and some bananas.
Exactly right.
Love that.
Yeah.
I don't know what you brought this for. It's cute.
Roasted
but-
red pepper aioli, which he was immediately like, "What?
Yeah,
the
I
hell
mean,
are you
it's I
talking
listen,
about?"
love bell peppers, and I got some tomatoes and then onions. You have strong feelings. I like onion on an Italian sub.
Yeah.
A little bit of red's always good, and you can really use any of them. Red sometimes can be a little strong for people. Cheese, always provolone.
Yep.
I don't need extra sharp. I don't need the best stuff you break out on Christmas.
No.
Just give me that low moisture deli sliced
100% agree.
red wine vinegar. Always get the best you can, but red wine is my preference. And a little olive oil. I like a good extra virgin olive oil. And then we got in our shrine, we got a nice little, very cute little trophy of Owen. 2023 best attacker.
It's soccer. It's my men's league.
Yeah, bud.
Scored the most goals, you know.
Dang, man, you're nasty. I knew it. And we got our bread, last but not least. My God, don't forget the bread. Sandwich, half the battle, at least.
Absolutely.
All right, we got a nice little baguette.
Make
This
or
is gonna be a
break.
nice little, we're gonna feed the crew a little bit. All right, everyone's gonna get a little bite.
So basically, we're gonna chop up these Hungarian wax peppers and the jalapenos, and then they're going right in our jar. And this is literally the simplest pickled pepper recipe you could possibly imagine. It's straight up vinegar and salt. So literally just white distilled vinegar.
Glug, 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 glug.
Anyway, these sit for like an hour and they're good to go.
Gabagool. Gabagool. Forward half salami gabagool. This is from a slice of gabagool.
So let's slice up the meat. We'll get it all set up nice. All right, we'll do our mise en place, get ready for success to build the ultimate Italian sub.
Oh my God. That was like a locker room
You like
speech.
that?
Yeah, fired me up. Let's go.
Nice and thin, Billy.
Oh, look at that, dude. Oh,
You like
it's all
that, huh?
translucent. You can see right through it.
Here, you want a little piece?
Yeah.
Look at that.
See, Papa.
Yeah, pop.
Okay. Okay.
Get in.
Oh my God, it's so good. It's actually phenomenal. Oh, baby. Holy
Isn't that nice?
Nikes, look at
Just
that.
go ahead and eat it. Just go. Isn't that delicious?
Wow. When it's that thin, it tastes 10 times better than when it's not
Deli slicer. Jesus.
Do you think they do this inside of the Jersey Mike's?
Yeah, they do. They cut them fresh to order, pal. Little fatty mortadella, all right?
Look, that actually looks amazing.
We don't need too much. That's gonna be
can I get
heavy.
one of these?
Yeah, heavy.
Oh my God.
You can't. I don't like an Italian sub or any cold cut sandwich for that matter to be overwhelmingly stuffed with meat.
I want this speech to go on as long as possible, so you can just have to keep cutting.
Yeah, I'll just cut. I'm just gonna talk for 45 minutes. It's gonna be this high. All right, Billy, you're up.
Billy?
Yeah.
Oh, me. It just says names. This is like a wedding photo. That'd be a great wedding photo. All right, are we good on salami, or what's the deal?
We're good. This
Outer
is
rim?
plenty. This is plenty.
Yeah.
All right, so we got our pickled peppers already done. We got our meats and plaza, our mise en place of meat laid out, ready to go, so we can build our sandwich. I'm gonna slice up some tomatoes on the deli slicer. Consistency, I love it. And we're gonna do the onions on there as well as some iceberg lettuce, and then we'll hand cut some untraditional romaine because he has a great idea of making a little salad, and I support that with some vinegar, some olive oil, some oregano.
He doesn't support it.
No, I'm being very serious. I support that 1,000%.
Okay, great.
Red onion in there?
Yeah, exactly. Sharing a brain here.
Perfect. That looks wonderful. We also have to make our little mayonnaise Calabrian chili.
Basically, we're just mixing Calabrian chili minced up with a bunch of mayonnaise.
Look, where are you going, dude? You can make 45 sandwiches with that.
Or one. So that's a nice Calabrian mayo.
That looks like a good ratio. I like the way it looks.
Let's have a little bit. Yeah.
Perfect. Great.
Yeah? Got a little kick.
Cutting the bread. All
Yeah.
right, next phase.
Yeah.
We've come all this way. We've done a lot of work. Let's construct our Italian sub.
Okay, let's do it. I'm kind of nervous.
Look, tell me what you think about this.
I think that
This
looks
is where
good.
the meat's gonna go, right? This is the meat, the bottom. This thing looks freaking great,
I'm losing my mind over here.
right? This is gonna be like top shelf. You're gonna put the tomato and onion on here.
Tomato, onion on here, and we're gonna do onion first so we can season the tomatoes. You start from that end, I'll pepper from this end.
Hey, you pep, I'll follow.
Okay.
I'm glad you brought that up because I always put a little salt and pepper on these
Salt and
tomatoes.
pepper.
Lettuce.
Yeah, right here. Spread it around, Jersey Mike style.
All right, let's put the peps on. All right, our last step. We got all of our lettuce, nice little salad. It's
a good
we
idea.
Seasoned nicely our tomatoes. Got some onions on there. I think we did a beautiful job. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, 4 meats. Goddamn.
That looks perfect.
Delectable. Oh, that's a beauty.
Perfect ratio.
You like that?
It looks great. We did good.
Yeah, I think we did a good job.
We did good.
We
Buddy.
did so good. All right, let's
we
take a
gotta
bite.
try it. Yeah, get one of
Okay,
these.
let's get in there. Cheers, Brad.
It's like a perfect. You have like a perfect.
I got
piece.
the nice end slice. This is very nice.
Let's just eat this.
Okay. It's perfect. It's perfect.
I don't use perfect often. It's perfect.
It's fucking perfect.
You got a problem with that? You don't like Italian.
You got a
subs.
problem with me. I'm a big fan of this.
This is delicious.
If I got this at a deli, I'd be like, "Hey, deli,
Oh,
nice work."
you're paying $22.
Yeah, here in Venice, it's a
Anywhere.
$22 sandwich.
You kidding me?
Guess
we
what?
use high-end meat,
Yeah.
which I think is important on a sandwich. A sandwich is simple, right?
Right.
It's complicated, but it's simple. Just like any kind of cooking to me, you got to get the best ingredients,
This is
and then
the
it's
best.
just balance, just like cooking. You know, too much meat, it's too much.
Yeah. Look at the ratio there of salad, tomato, onion, and meat. No fucking Jose can.
I think I'm gonna cry, Hank. Man, this was a freaking pleasure. Come on, we hug. We're freaking buddies now, okay? hug around here.
Once you make an Italian sub with somebody, you're best friends forever.
Sandwich was awesome. Thank you again. If you guys aren't familiar with Salt Hank, you should be. Check him out on the TikTok, on the Instagrams, on the YouTubes, and all the good things. Give him a follow. Give us a follow. Give us a subscribe. We love you. Make more sandwiches. Let us know some sandwiches you would want to see him make. Maybe me on some more Making It's. Maybe some more guests. Maybe some advice on... I don't know. Whatever. What kind of lemons to buy? We love you. See you next time.
Let's
clean up this house. Owen,
you
make
so much
yourself
for
another lemonade,
letting me be in your
and let's
video.
just go. We'll clean
Thanks,
it up.
Owen. Thanks, Brad. Thank you guys. Bye.
Thanks, everyone. Let's slice this up for the gang. All right?
Yeah.